Hello everyone! In this video, I will teach you how to see your TikTok repost. But first, let us open the application. In this part, I will show you a hack on how you will see your TikTok repost. For example, let us repost a TikTok video. If you want to see it again, just select the bookmark button. As you go to your profile, you can see a section wherein you will see your bookmarked videos. In there, you can go back to the video that you reposted because you also bookmarked it. So if you want to see your TikTok repost, don't forget to include it in your bookmarks so that you can watch it again. The feature regarding seeing TikTok repost is not yet available in the TikTok application, so make sure to follow us for more tutorial updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching!